Is your 2016-2017 Mitsubishi Lancer key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most common culprit. Replacing it yourself is quick, easy, and saves you money compared to dealership service. This video will guide you through the process step by step. Your key fob requires a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This small, round battery provides the power needed for your remote functions. The CR2032 is a widely available battery type you can find at most drugstores, hardware stores, and online retailers. It costs just $1 to $2, making replacement affordable. Make sure to purchase a quality brand for optimal performance and reliability. You'll only need a couple of basic tools for this task. A small flathead screwdriver can be used to help pry open the key fob. A plastic pry tool is recommended to prevent scratches on your key fob casing. A jeweler's screwdriver set can also be helpful for more delicate prying. Locate the seam on your key fob. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the seam. Carefully twist to separate the two halves. Avoid using excessive force, as the fob is held together by plastic clips that can break. Work slowly and methodically around the perimeter. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery positioned inside the lower half. Take note of its orientation. The positive side should be facing up. Use your fingernail or the tip of a small screwdriver to gently pry the old battery out of its holder. Be careful not to damage the battery contacts or the plastic housing. Now insert the new CR2032 battery into the holder, making sure the positive side is facing up, just like the original. The battery should snap into place securely. Finally, ensure the new battery sits securely in its holder without any wobble. This completes the battery replacement step. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob and press them together until they snap securely back into place. Make sure there are no gaps and that the casing is flush all around. You should hear a distinct click as the clips engage. After reassembly, test all key fob functions. Start with the lock button to ensure doors lock properly. Test the unlock function to verify doors unlock correctly. Check the trunk release button to confirm the trunk opens. Test the panic alarm button for emergency functionality. If functions don't work, double-check battery orientation. The positive side should face up. Ensure the battery makes good contact with the terminals inside the fob. If problems persist, clean the battery contacts with a soft cloth to remove any corrosion. If replacing the battery doesn't restore functionality, the key fob itself may be faulty. Check for damage to internal components. Corrosion from leaking old batteries can damage the fob's internal parts, making replacement ineffective. Dispose of old batteries responsibly at designated recycling centers to protect the environment. For better functionality, consider upgrading to aftermarket smart fobs with Bluetooth connectivity and additional features.